Happy belated Easter, everybody. As I've told in the last short, it's spring here and I'm really enjoying it. Just outside right now in the garden. But today is just a very quick tip if you're suffering with chronic illness anyway. And that is to delete social media. And why should you do this, at least in my opinion? And that is because if you're anything like me, I've had quite a few pictures on both my Facebook and my Instagram back then about my old life, the life that led me to get chronically ill, the life that I had to wear my mask, my personality mask, had a lot of coping behavior, the life that was not authentically me. And when you scroll through social media like that and look at your own page and all those old pictures, that enhances the life that you were not supposed to live. So that's the first reason. The second reason is that you fall into a comparison trap. Well, I did anyway. Maybe not you, but maybe it resonates. A lot of people in my age group, I'm in my late 20s right now, they're getting married, they're getting their first children, they're buying property, traveling, and while you're stuck at home with chronic illness, and that's not really a healthy thing for your mindset to look at. I mean, if it doesn't affect you, that's totally fine, but for sure, I felt like a complete failure and like I'm stuck in life while all my old friends and acquaintances are progressing in life. And that's also because maybe of my old achiever mindset in a way. But that's the second reason I think you should delete social media. And the last one is that it's stressful behavior. If you're using a lot of your time when you already, well, if you're severe with chronic illness, have a very low capacity, screen time in itself is pretty stressful. And when you're just doom scrolling on your social media pages, whether it's Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, TikTok, whatever it may be, if some people I've spoken to use up to 5 to 10 hours a day on these apps, and that's not helpful at all. Maybe later on, when you have a lot more capacity, these things won't affect you. But if you're at a low capacity, you have chronic symptoms, and you're maybe stuck at home, or maybe even bedbound, these things are very not helpful at all. So that's why I think you should delete social media. Yeah, that was it for this video. Bye, guys.